Good morning, first grade. I hope you are doing well. Today is Tuesday, November 24th, 2020. Your special today is gym or physical education at 11:45, and it is the 59th day of school. So before we go over our schedule, and I'll show you the puzzle for today, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, very good. So coming out first thing this morning will be your application problem for lesson 11, and you will also have your final fluency recording where you will read the final fluency passage for Module 1 in Wit and Wisdom. And then there will also be a little Thanksgiving writing where there's different kind of categories you'll see, and I encourage you to use different nouns and verbs and adjectives that we've learned about to help describe Thanksgiving. So those will be the three things this morning, and then we will meet at 10 for we'll have math this morning. As I mentioned yesterday, we're going to flip-flop today, so we'll have math this morning. So if you could have your workbooks and dry erase board and marker, that would be great. And then this afternoon, we'll meet again at 1, and we will wrap up Module 1 in Wit and Wisdom and talk about the knowledge journal. And then, hopefully time will permit, and we will read a little story for the holiday before Thanksgiving break begins. For today, if you do have any extra time, and if you could please check your activities light bulb to see if there is any work that you needed to catch up on before we go for the nice break, and then you can work on that if you have any extra time and can check the light bulb. All right, the riddle or puzzle for today, it's music, and then there's 2 ones, and then ears. So think about that, and I'll let you know at 10 what the answer to today's puzzle is. I think it's a hard one. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Let me know if you have any questions, if you need any help, and I can't wait to see everybody soon. Bye.